Welcome to this segment of Rock Kitchen. Now, I haven't done another segment of me cooking anything in a while. Just got a new house, set in my kitchen, and I use all Wayfair decor. Plus, due to me being a fan of Richard Ray, I have all Richard Ray equipment hanging around in my kitchen. So let's get started on this video. Today I'm going to be cooking a stuffed meatloaf, stuffing it with spinach and feta cheese. Then I'm going to be cooking some cheddar biscuit turnovers. So let's get started with the cheddar biscuit turnovers first.
All that I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, baby. You're amazing. You got my mind blown. Girl, I love it. Who could blame it? From another nation. How could I know that your love could change, baby? All I need is when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, love. You can be my love. If I'm on me, but I have no love. All this will be a smile. As a girl I'm feeling will be a smile. Jamaican me in the summertime. Japanese. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. InNoSint IncanTation, number 33. When I speak with you, all I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you, all I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, my baby. You're amazing. You got my mind blown. Girl, I love it. Who could blame it? From another nation. How could I know that your love could change, baby? All I need is when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, love. You can be my love. If I'm on me, but I have no love. All this will be a smile. As a girl I'm feeling will be a smile. Jamaican me in the summertime. Japanese. Mexican. African. I know I can get to my mind. I know I can get to my head. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone. International, when I speak with you. All I see is you. Everyone else in the world are gone.
So there's two ways to do this. I can either take both of these halves, put one down first, and then put the other one on top, put the stuff in the middle, or I can lay it all flat out and roll it up like a chocolate Swiss roll. Now I'm gonna try wave 2. Nature, hand me that. What you doing in here? Hand me that. You just, I thought a Swisher gotta be a part of every show I do. Hand me the paper. You want me to use this?
Yes.
Paw Patrol?
Yes.
Okay.
I never heard it.
Like I'll get in. Everyone's told me your feelings. To desert me with the difference. Though I stay true, then you hurt me. All that I give isn't working. Sticking on you when you hurt me. I can see now you're not worth me. I'll be cool without you.
Grateful.
InNoSint IncanTation, number 94. Yeah. Baby, you can hurt me, desert me. I'll be I'm so down, I won't frown. I'll smile like a soldier. You can hurt me, desert me. I'll be I'm so down, I won't frown. Still I'll smile like a soldier. You'll be my best friend. To desert me, I'll get in. Everyone's told me your feelings. To desert me was the difference. Though I stay true, then you hurt me. All that I give isn't working. Sticking on you when you hurt me. I can see now you're not worth me. I'll be cool without you. Without you, I'll be cool. I'll be cool without you. Without you, I'll be cool. Desert me, I'll be a soldier. I'm so down, I won't frown. Still I sound like a soldier. You can hurt me, desert me. I'll be a soldier. I'm so young, I won't frown.
Come on, son. Alright, spinach, feta cheese stuffed meatloaf with a tomato and basil sauce with a cheddar biscuit turnovers topped with parsley, oregano, and parmesan. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want me to cook next.